ask you a question about reading comprehension. But before we start, sir, kindly introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Nico Dabajo, 35. I've been teaching here in Sogo National High School for over 13 years. Sogo National High School is located at the heart of the municipality, right here in Zone 1. Okay.
So the question, sir, is why should we promote or teach reading comprehension to the students?
It's really necessary to teach students to read with comprehension because reading is a basic survivor skill in school. It's a foundational skill. Learner will never grasp the concept unless he or she can read, and not just read but can also analyze or comprehend the reading material is or she is perusing. Okay, so a student with high level of reading comprehension skill can actually survive other subjects as well, including mathematics, because a student who lacks reading comprehension, who lacks the passion to read, can actually have a domino effect in terms of his or her study habits. So that is what we are inculcating here in school. Not just because it's just a requirement for the language subjects like English or Filipino, but because it's also a foundational skill they need to master in order to hone the other skills or competencies in other subject areas.
So thank you, sir.
Before sharing my thoughts, let me first introduce myself. I am Rose A. Parwinog, a BTLED fourth-year student specializing in Information and Communication Technology. So the question was, why should we promote or teach reading comprehension to students? Reading comprehension is indeed a crucial foundation for all forms of learning. As the teacher mentioned, it serves as a basic survival skill in school. Without it, students struggle to understand not just language based subjects, but also those that require problem solving and critical thinking, such as mathematics and science. I realized that teaching reading comprehension is not just about decoding words, but helping students make sense of information, analyze ideas, and connect concepts to real life situations. It develops their ability to think critically, communicate effectively, and learn independently. Skills that are essential in today's digital age. In the context of ICT, reading comprehension plays an equally important role. For instance, when students learn how to use applications like Google Classroom,
Good morning. My name is Laika Jane Ikimno and I am from Bitiled 4B. And this is my reflection about the importance of reading comprehension in schools. So, reading comprehension is one of the most important skills a student must develop because it helps us understand what we read and makes learning more meaningful. So I agree with Sir Nico Doblajo that it is a foundational and survival skill in education because without it, students will struggle to understand lessons or even pass exams. So I remember struggling with difficult or complex English words when I was in high school. So feeling frustrated whenever I couldn't grasp a passage or a message. So still, I didn't give up. I used a dictionary, practiced, and built my vocabulary little by little. So over time, I began to understand text better and felt more confident in reading. So this experience taught me that reading comprehension is not only needed in English, but also in all other subjects. It helps us think critically, express ideas clearly, and connect what we learn to real-life experiences, making it truly a key to success in education. So, during my FS1 observation at Sugu National High School, I saw many grade 10 students who struggled to form even one sentence or read some words correctly. It was sad to see because I know how hard it is to feel discouraged, to not understand something you're trying to learn. That experience reminded me how important it is to help students improve their reading comprehension because without it, learning becomes more difficult and discouraging. So consider how much the quality of our education has declined in recent years. This should serve as a wake-up call to take a step back and improve our system. We need to focus on teaching students how to read and comprehend effectively from the early stages of education. And as a future teacher, I will strive to teach my students how to read and also to comprehend for their own good, of course.
Hello everyone. Before sharing my reflection, let me introduce myself first. My name is Joshua Herona from Beteled 4B. So my reflection about the question, why should we promote or teach reading comprehension to students? As a student, I've experienced how difficult it can be to fully understand what I read. There are times when I have to reread a passage several times before I can grasp its meaning. That struggle made me realize how important reading comprehension really is, not just for passing subjects, but for truly learning and growing. I've been trying my best to improve because I know that as a future teacher, I will play a big role in helping my students develop the same skill. We should promote and teach reading comprehension because it's the foundation of learning. When students understand what they read, they can think critically, express ideas clearly, and make better decisions. Reading comprehension helps them connect lessons to real life and gives them confidence in communicating their thoughts. For me, learning how to understand and interpret what I read has been a journey of patience and practice. After listening to Mr. Nico's interview, I have inspired by how he emphasized that reading comprehension is the key to meaningful education. He mentioned that it allows students to analyze, reflect, and apply what they learn in real-life situations. I totally agree with this point because I've always noticed that when I truly understand what I read, it's easier for me to express my thoughts and relate lessons to my experiences. As a future teacher, I want to help my students overcome the same struggles I faced. I want them to see reading not just a chore, but as a skill that can open doors to knowledge and success. Promoting reading comprehension is not just about teaching lessons, it's about helping students become lifelong learners.